Question number one. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Question number two. Who was the first woman Chief Minister in India? Suchita Kriplani. Question number three. Which is the largest state in India? Rajasthan by area wise. Question number four. Which is the smallest state in India? Goa is smallest state. Question number five. Who is the first citizen of India? President is known as first citizen of India. Question number six. Second citizen of India is Vice President. Third citizen of India is Prime Minister. Question number 8. When the Indian people celebrate the Independence Day, it is 15th August. Question number 9. When we celebrate our Indian Republic Day, it is on 26 January. Question number 10. What is the total number of characters in Hindi alphabet? Total number of characters are 52. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. हु इज़ द कंपोजर ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल सॉन्ग? बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी. Question number 12. How many spokes in the national flag of India? 24 spokes. Question number 13. What is the national song of India? Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Question number 14. What is the national flower of India? Lotus is national flower. 15. Who is the first female Chief Justice of India? Fatima Bibi is the first female Chief Justice of India. Question number 16. How many months in every single year? 12 months in 1 year. Question number 17. How many days in every single week? There are 7 days. Question number 18. How many Indian states have the Hindi language? 10 states have Hindi language. Question number 19. Which language is used most in Maharashtra? Marathi is mostly used in Maharashtra. Question number 20. Which of the following is a Hindi script? Devanagari is a Hindi script. Question number 21. What is the name of the longest river on the earth? River Nile is the longest river on earth. Question number 22. What is the name of the fastest animal on the land? It is cheetah. Question number 23. What is the main source of energy for earth? Is sun. Question number 24. Which continent has not a single volcano? Australia is without volcano. What is the smallest ocean in the world? It is Arctic Ocean. Who is the highest mountain in India? Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain in India. Which is the largest lake in India? Vular Lake is the largest lake in India, located in Jammu and Kashmir. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Shah Jahan. USA, what is the currency of it? USA currency is dollar. Question number 30. When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day? 4 December is the Indian Navy Day. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. When we celebrate the Indian Post Day? 9th October is Indian Post Day. Who composed the Indian national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Kiran Bedi is the first female IPS officer. Question number 34. Where is the lake, Vular Lake, situated in India? It is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Who is the first Indian Field Marshal? Jamshedji Manekshaw was the first Indian Field Marshal. Question number 36. What is the height of the 3 wooden stumps in cricket? तो क्रिकेट के अंदर जो स्टम्प्स होती हैं उनकी हाइट होती है 28 इंच. Which type of lens is used in camera? Convex lens. What is Canada national sport? Ice hockey is Canada national sport. Question number 39. Jaspal Rana is related to which game? Shooting. Which is India highest sports award? Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Question number 41. Full form of LAN is local area network. Full form of EVM is electronic voting machine. Full form of DTP is desktop publishing. Question number 44. Full form of modem is modulator demodulator. Full form of RDX is research development explosive. Full form of WWO is World Wide Web. Question number 47. Hindi Day is celebrated on 14th September. Question number 48. Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? Assam. Yahoo, Google and MSN are internet search engine. Question number 50. Inaccuracy in computer data is known as bug. Question number 51. IBM is the complete form of International Business Machine. CAD means computer aided design. What is the longest river in India? Ganga River is the longest river. Question number 54. What is the use of CD characters in a computer dictionary? It is known as compact disc. 1 kilobyte is equivalent to 1024 bytes. What is the length of a word in a computer? It is known as bit. Question number 57. What is the purpose of the assembler? It is converting the assembly language into machine language. Who was the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India? It was Meera Kumar. Where is the Pushkar Lake situated in India? It is situated in Rajasthan. Question number 60. How long does the earth rotates in a circle? It is 365.25 days. Question number 61. What is the full form of BDT is binary digits task? What is the full form of room? It is read only memory. What is the full form of HTML is hypertext markup language? Question number 64. What is the magnitude of the earthquake measuring machine? It is known as Richter scale or seismograph. It is actually a machine that is measuring the earthquake. Question number 65. Where and when did the first underground train in India started? It is started on 21st October 1984 in Kolkata. Question number 66. The National Youth Day is celebrated on which date? तो ये है 12 January. On what date is the National Army Day celebrated? On 15th January. Question number 68. On which date is the National Sports Day? It is 29 August. The first Indian player to take a hat-trick in Test cricket is Harbhajan Singh. In which year may India win the World Cup for the first time in cricket? In 1983. Question number 71. Which cricketer is known as Rawalpindi Express? Shoaib Akhtar. Which player makes the first double century in ODI cricket? It is Sachin Tendulkar. The first Indian batsman to score triple century in Test cricket is Virendra Sehwag. Question number 74. Which country is known as the birthright of a cricket game? It is England. Rocket works on the principle of momentum. A remedy is used for the prevention of defects caused by convex lens. Question number 77. A near-sight defect is used in the person's eyeglasses. A concave lens is used. Question number 78. What energy is found in a dry cell? Chemical energy is stored in a dry cell.